In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate dial-pad tones on the following device. So first of all, if you will open your phone dialer, you will be able to hear that now it's on, so you can hear the sound connected with each digit. But once you want to mute it, if you would like to change it, just enter the settings, go to sound and vibration, and here locate system sound and vibration control. And now smoothly unmark dialing keypad, and from now on it will be muted. As you can hear, now it is muted. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.